I do not do for big business. Kita naman ninyo, I went after the oligarchs. And if that is one achievement that I can be proud of to myself alone, yan. Binirya ko talaga yung lahat sila. At kayo namang mga professional squatters, you're easily to spot. Alam mo bakit? Maganda kayo magsalita. Pag makikinig ako sa inyo, para akong nakikinig ng isang crusader na wala dito, wala doon. Yan siya. They make the loudest noise, and when it comes now to the subdividing the place, they claim for them a portion bigger than the others. Yan ang spirit ng PDP. That's why PDP ako. Because I do not do for big business. Kita naman ninyo, I went after the oligarchs. And if that is one achievement that I can be proud of to myself alone, yan. Binirya ko talaga yung lahat sila. So, they are already known to us. Nasabi ko na yung mga pangalan nila. And sabi ko, at no other time, they won't get anything from me. Rather, I will go after them for their taxes. They have to pay taxes. Now, let me just rumble on to some other matters. Sabi nila na lahat sa panahon ko, pinayagan ko ang sugal. Correct. That is true. I do not deny it. Now, I would like to bring your mind a few years back in time. Di ba nung presidente ako bago, sinabi ko, ayaw ko ng sugal. And I never allowed it. But pagdating ng pandemic, naubos ang pera natin. May reserba natin, nagamit natin lahat to contain the viral virus from rampaging all throughout the country. At on this side, I would like to tell you there are so many variants now coming out. Pag lahat yan kailangan ng bakuna, patay na. Our scientists must work double the time to mag-isip talaga kayo. If you have to pour your, matutunaw yung utak ninyo, you must come up with something to help the Filipino. We cannot be dependent, ill afford to just sabihin doon sa mga ibang tao na bigyan mo kami, bigyan mo dito. That cannot go on. We must develop, total may pera man tayo. Hindi ko naman minamatay ang mga scientists natin. Maybe for lack of so many things, equipments and all. But I am also praying at the same time that they can come up with a good result of their studies and make some vaccines that are really truly Filipino. Yan ang now itong sugal, bakit ko pinayagan? Wala tayong pera eh. Kaya sinabi ko yung noon na tinanggihan ko na casino sa Bohol, pinasira ko lahat. Diyan sa Boracay, ganun rin. But ngayon, kasi kailangan natin ng pera, the most sensible thing is really just to encourage those activities, though it may sound not really repulsive, but maybe repugnant to lang, dusa na muna kayo kasi kailangan ko talaga ang pera para sa bayan. And Dominguez is happy with it. Pogo, pinabalik ko. Sabi ko Ang akin lang, just pay the correct taxes. Yan lang ang magsugal kayo, may imbento ako, yes, go ahead. If you can win a lotto franchise, go ahead. If you can have something there na pero not on the barangay level. Kasi walang control. Itong mga casino, may mga security guard na. Pero yung sa last to sa baba, yun yung neighborhood, yung last to ng sweepstake. Sa Davao, minsan may nahuli, pregnant, with another child into. Karga-karga nung pinapayal na. Sabi ko kay si Senator Go, Bong, bayaran mo yung piyansa kasi pag hindi, sige iyak yan dito buong araw. So, sabi ko sa pulis, hayaan mo na lang yung ganun muna. Times are not really conducive to being a moralist now. They just have to be pragmatic about it. Kung ano lang talaga ang mapagkitaan, kasi hirap tayo. So that is what the PDP stands for. It stands for our country that is really free from intervention.